5 Min's Easy Chicken Wonton Soup. This recipe focuses on using frozen wontons to make the process as simple and fast as possible. Prep time, 5-10 minutes. Cook time, 10-15 minutes. Total time, 15-25 minutes. Ingredients. For the broth, 4-6 cups chicken broth, low sodium is a good choice. 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced 1, 2 slices of fresh ginger, about 1/4 inch thick, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, low sodium, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Optional, 1/4 cup shredded carrots or sliced mushrooms. For the soup, 12-16 frozen chicken wontons, 2-3 baby bok choy, chopped, or a handful of spinach, 2 green onions, sliced. Separate the white and green parts. Instructions. Prepare the broth. In a medium to large pot, combine the chicken broth, minced garlic, ginger slices, and the white parts of the green onions. Bring to a boil. Bring the broth mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. This allows the flavors to infuse the broth. Add wontons. Add the frozen wontons to the simmering broth. Cook according to the package directions, which is typically 5-8 minutes, or until they float to the top and are cooked through. Add veggies. In the last 2-3 minutes of cooking, add the bok choy or spinach to the pot. Stir gently until the greens are wilted. Finish and serve. Stir in the soy sauce and sesame oil. Remove the ginger slices from the soup. Ladle the soup, including the wontons and vegetables, into bowls. Garnish with the green parts of the sliced green onions. Tips for success. Enhance the broth. For a richer flavor, you can simmer the broth with the ginger and garlic for about 10 minutes before adding the wontons. You can also add other aromatics like a star anise or a dash of white pepper. Don't overcook the wontons. Keep an eye on the wontons. Once they float, they are usually ready. Overcooking them can make the wrappers mushy. Add more veggies. This soup is very customizable. Feel free to add other vegetables like sliced mushrooms, napa cabbage, or carrots at the same time as the bok choy. Garnishes are key. Fresh garnishes like chopped cilantro, extra green onions, or a drizzle of chili oil or sriracha can really elevate the flavor of the final dish.